Good morning, everyone. I am Neha from third year CSC. Today, I want to talk about some important concepts on machine learning and natural language processing, that is Perplexity. So, what is Perplexity? Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine and research assistant which gives direct cited answers for the user queries. Here are some of the features of Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI gives direct answers with sources, whereas Google gives multiple links for the same. Let me show you a demo. If I ask what is quantum computing in Perplexity AI, it gives direct answers. Whereas in Google, if I ask the same question, it gives multiple links.
ಯಾವ ಲೀಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಂತಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಿಂತಲ್ಲ
Perplexity AI includes sources in its answers, making it easier to verify the information. If, for example, if I ask the question like, what are the health benefits of medication? It gives the answers with the sources. We can see here. We can also view the sources here. And Perplexity AI fetches updated information from the web, and it reduces the need to visit multiple websites by summarizing the information. Some versions of Perplexity retain conversation history for more personalized experience. Let me show you a demo. If we ask what is deep learning, after getting the answer, if I ask how does it relate to, how does it relate to the neural networks? It remembers the previous question and without needing the repetition. So finally, we can say that Perplexity is a powerful tool for anyone with accurate answer and fast information. Thank you.
I'm Prajna, and I am here to talk about Gemini. Gemini is a highly advanced model, which is a multi-model AI tool, which is developed by Google. So it is designed to be flexible and capable of understanding and processing information, including text, code, image, and many more. Its goal is to be helpful in a wide range of tasks, from generating creative text and to providing insightful information. it is being integrated to many Google products to help the user to improve the experience. Gemini works with the search, map, and and also has access assistant in the mobile. So user can interact through text, voice, image input, code, and app integration. Then in the Gemini, there are three versions. First version is 2.4 Flash. Here we can have a quick response about the everyday help, like example. Here is the example. I asked to give the quick summary of the today's news. Here we can get the today's news. If you are not satisfied by this, you can click learn more, where it will give a link about this detailed information. And there is another feature, like we can listen the content if you are lazy to read this. And next version is about 2.0 Flash thinking experimentally. Here, this is a version to optimize the multiple step reasoning. It means it can handle the complex processes and solve the logical problems. So, if I ask about anything to you, it will give by step process. And the next version is about 2.0 Flash thinking experimented apps. This version is integrated with the Google services like Map, Search, YouTube. It allow to provide better response based on this app. Example, you can ask Gemini, find me the best rated cafe nearby me. It will give the location of these best rated cafes with the map. And here is an we can also try the Gemini Advanced, but it has for the subscription, so it is better to use the normal Gemini. Thank you.
Hello and welcome all. Today let's explore GPT-4, Scholar GPT and TutorMe, powerful AI tools shaping the future of learning and knowledge. GPT-4, the brain behind it all. OpenAI's most advanced AI model capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Let's try it out. Yes, so it's great for general knowledge, creating content and more. The next tool is Scholar GPT. We all struggle with academic papers, whereas Scholar GPT is built on GPT-4 and designed for students, researchers, and scholars. It summarizes research papers, explains complex terms in simple terms, finds academic references and insights. For example, Perfect. This with Scholar GPT, research becomes easier and faster. Now we have another tool called as TutorMe, where we have personal tutoring 24/7, which is an AI tool by Khan Academy. TutorMe explains concepts step by step, solves problem with detailed solution, and adapts to your learning style. For example, perfect for students, exam preparation, and self-paced learning. These AI tools, GPT-4, Scholar GPT, and TutorMe, are revolutionizing how we learn, research, and solve problems. Try them out and experience the future of AI-powered education. Thanks.
Good morning all. I am Harshitha from third year CSE. Now I am telling about Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is a free online AI tool where we can test, experiment and build AI powered applications without installing any software. Now here we have Get API key. It will provide a It will provide API where we can integrate in our web and mobile applications and create prompt. It is a prompt section where we can give prompt in a text format or we can give image and ask for a explanation and we can ask for a code. Now we have stream real time where we can communicate with AI using microphone and we can share our screen to ask any doubts, queries, and we have Tuna model. Here we can train Google AI model according to our dataset and we can integrate that AI model in our applications. And this is a library where our history is directly stored in Google Drive. And also we have temperature option where if the temperature is low, it will give common answers and we can predict the output. If the temperature is high, we cannot predict the output and it gives random answers. And we can compare here by using different versions of Gemini. And that's it. Thank you.
So good morning guys, myself Samarth. I'm going to explain about Adobe Firefly. So Adobe Firefly is a computer program which takes prompt from the user and we can generate videos or pictures accordingly. So this is the user interface it shows. Here we can select the format in which we want either the image or the video. So let's continue with the image. So here I have given a prompt and when I click on generate, so here it reads the prompt and generates a few pics related to it. We can even select the ratio, then the type of the content we want, whether it's art or photographic. We can even download the generated images. So we can even generate videos accordingly. So we can use this Adobe Firefly when we want to generate some images which we will not get it in Google or anywhere else. Uh, so as it is a video, it takes a bit more time for loading. So this is the final video which it is generated. As it still is in a developing state, it does not show much accurate generation of images or videos. Also, it tries its best to provide some. So some pros of this Adobe Firefly is it is easy to use. You just have to provide the prompt and generates the images or videos. Uh, it even has features of generative fill. We can add some extra images in the images. Yeah, thank you.
Today I will be explaining about Runaway AI. It's a video generating AI. You can generate videos from prompts or giving a image to it. So we'll start. First I'll get an image from Google. We'll save this image. Now we'll start a session. We'll generate a video. We'll generate a video through adding an image. This is the image which we downloaded. The prompt should be descriptive, not conceptual, or it should not be complicated. I'll give a simple prompt such as walking. We'll generate a 5-second video. This is the video generated. We will also use another feature of this AI, which is expand video. We can add background to the video. Will not go with any prompt here. As you can see, it has added few mountains in the background. There are so many other AI tools in this AI. You can see uh, these are the other AI tools. It has three models such as Gen 1 and it has Gen AI Turbo and Alpha. Like this is majorly used in video generation or video creation, and content creators also can use this. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'll be explaining how you may use Grok AI, an AI tool for your day-to-day usage, and also in perspective of a student life. Grok AI is basically a generative AI chatbot that is developed by XAI. It is based on an LLM model and was introduced to the market by Elon Musk in 2023. It stands out from the usual AI tools with its feature that it adds a little bit of humor and sarcasm to any questions or any queries that you ask it. It has, let me name a few features that it has. First one is real-time insights. So what stands out in this AI tool is it is integrated with X, or also known as Twitter. So whatever day-to-day events or trends that happen, it keeps on updating it. Secondly, it has advanced reasoning and research capabilities. It uses two models, that is Think and Deep Search. Think is used for reasoning and Deep Search is used to analyze and summarize contents. It can solve problems, anything related to mathematics or code or scientific queries. And any developer can use this tool to access the API. Let me give a demo of all the domains it has. It has research, brainstorm, analyze data, create images, and code. Now, in case I have a data set, I have a CSV file of certain online food menu. So in case I want to analyze that, I can put it into this.
So it has taken 1 minute to analyze the data, and whatever respective perspective it has drawn conclusions according to it. So all these are the conclusions that it has given. And also I told about its unique feature that it has real-time integration. So any event that takes place, you can ask it, you can ask for its insights. For example, the recent tunnel collapse in Telangana. In case I want more insights about it, I can ask it. So it will go through different articles and websites and give me more idea about it. So it goes through all the data and the recent news related to the event that has taken place. And through these links, you can read more about it. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Sana and I'm going to speak about Gamma AI. It is one of the AI tools which is used to create presentations, documents, and web pages. We have all used Gamma to create PPTs, and this PPT has also been generated by Gamma. So what is Gamma? As I said, it is a powerful tool to create. It can, just by providing a single line prompt, you can create presentation web pages and also documents. So it gives a professional looking presentation within just less than seconds. Talking about the key features, it can generate images. It can also give you smart layout suggestions and all other AI powered content creation. Let me show you a demo. So this is how the home page of the Gamma looks like. So here you have an option to create a new image using AI. You have to just write in the prompt over here. You can choose the ratio, portrait or landscape. So it has generated so many images. You can select and you can customize it based on your preference. Other options you have here is you can use different templates for projects in collaboration. You can also for pitch presentation, sales and marketing. There are so many templates available. It has other options to customize fonts, a lot of themes, and much more. So let me show you how to create a PPT presentation. So here you have three options. You can paste in text and from the existing content, you can create something. You can generate it using giving prompt, and you can also import file or URLs. So here it shows you three options to create a presentation, web page, and document. So you also have some example prompts over here. So give the prompt, you will get an outline of your presentation. We can choose a theme that we want, and you can customize the font, add images, and much more. So it has created a present a PPT. It can also create web pages. So once you provide the prompt, you will get an outline of the web page. You can select the theme you want. So here the website is ready. You can you have the option to share. You can customize it accordingly. You can share and you can also publish your site. So the site has been published for the dog cafe. It has added the AI generated images and it can also generate documents. For example, it can create a resume. So it has already generated a layout. We can add in our details and the resume will be ready. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lubna, and my topic for today is Cursor AI. So, Cursor AI is an AI powered code editor, which is very similar to the VS Code. The only difference between the Cursor AI and the VS Code is the additional AI features which the Cursor AI holds. So, let us discuss about the features of the Cursor AI along with a demo. The first feature it provides is AI autocomplete. Now, suppose if I'm giving a code that says this is a Python code. We can use any language. As you can see, it is already suggesting me the code over here. So simply if I click on the tab button, wait. So as you can see, it is suggesting me the code over here. So if I click on that tab button, it gives me the entire code. So this is going to reduce our manual work and it's very good for the beginners. The next feature it provides is about AI powered chat assistant. That is, now suppose if I'm going to give any incorrect code, here it is an incorrect code, and suppose if our focus is, here you can see that it's giving me the correct code, but we will click on Control plus L. You can see it gives a chat box over there, and we can enter the question as per our demand. Like if I give,
can see that it is suggesting me the error. By following this, we can correct our errors. The next is code refactoring. Okay. So this is a code. Now this is an inefficient code. Okay. So here I will ask you chat box to refactor this for the better efficiency. So this is how it gives. By following the methods, we can refactor this. This is the third one. The next one we have, that is natural language code generation. Basically, if I give a suppose if I want to generate a code like so here it is giving me the entire code, so we need not write it manually. We can just copy and paste this over here. The last feature it provides is AI-powered documentation. So in the case of the VS Code, it is now going to give us an explanation about the complex code. Suppose if I want an explanation about this code, then I can ask the chat box. Yeah. So here we can see that it is trying us to explain about the codes. So this is very useful for the software developers who do not want to switch between the tabs, like in chat box in one tab and the code in the another tab. Thank you.
Okay, so good morning everyone. I'm Kirthan of third year CSE. So today I'll be going to explain about an AI tool named as Codeium AI. So Codeium AI is an AI-powered coding assistant that provides complete auto code suggestions, code generations, and other productivity, which enhances the features for developers. So it's basically an extension for our code editors like VS Codes, Jupyter Notebook, and all. So if we talk about the use cases about this Codeium AI, it helps in auto code completion, which provides a real-time AI-powered suggestions to speed up the coding. It provides us with the code refactor and optimization, which improves the existing code, and it also supports multi languages like programming languages like C programming, Python, HTML, and all. Then one more feature is that it can be integrated with various IDEs and tools like VS Code, JetBrains, Jupyter Notebook, etc. So this is our homepage for our Codeium AI, and you can see our right side of the screen that you have a download option. So if you click the download option, you'll get many editors like VS Code, JetBrains, then Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab. So everyone is familiar with some of these tools. So whichever code editor you want to add this extension, you need to log in first. I mean, sign up first, then you need to log in. So I have already set up Codeium AI in my VS Code. So as you can see here, I will go to this extension and here Codeium AI. I have typed Codeium AI, so I can see that Codeium AI is already installed. So let's see how it works in our real-time coding. So I have taken an example file like example.html. It's basically a HTML coding. So if I click Control I, it opens a command prompt for Codeium AI, which where you can submit your command. So I'll give my command like uh, give me a web page for login. So it starts to process the command, and see, as you can see, it's directly giving us a CSS code, HTML code. So I'll remove these comment lines. So now, if I run this, yeah, so you can see a basic login page is created. So this is the one of the feature of Codeium AI. It can also be used with the other programming languages, like for example, Python. I will add a command like give me a code to check if a number is prime or not. So it starts to process the command, and you can see that boilerplate for is prime or to check whether what do you say a number is prime or not. A basic default code is generated. So when I come here and wait for some time, it gives me some suggestions like visit your the next part of your code. So when I click tab, it already it gets generated. I'll keep on clicking the tab. So complete code is getting generated there without any typing from user. So if I go and try to run this, so it asks me enter a number. I'll enter 5. So 5 is a prime number. So it's basically giving our result with a greater accuracy. So this way, this side you can see that you have a Codeium extension button. If you click that, you'll get a Codeium chat where you can here you can see that there is a context button. If you click that, there are so many options. If I go and click for code context, it shows me what and all files are present in our folder. And if I want any explanation regarding this file, it also gives us that. So if I select is prime and I'll give explain this code snippet. So it processes the request and within some amount of time, it generates you each and every line. What does each and every line indicate? So this is a documentation of our code. So these there are so many users like this, and so yeah, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Moulya. The topic that I'm given is Copilot. So, Copilot is an AI assistant tool that is integrated with the Microsoft 365. It is used in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. It helps in summarizing the documents, creating a presentation, drafting the emails, etc. So, I will show you how we can use the Copilot AI tool. Um, the problem statement that I'm considering is birthday party organization. Organizing a birthday party can be stressful and overwhelming because we have to take into consideration the guests, visiting people, budgets, and even the expenses that needs to be covered. So first I will create a proper summary or a structured plan about what and all is needed in the birthday party organization. So first I'll open the Copilot app. I have asked it to create a birthday plan regarding the venue, theme, decoration, food, games, and etc. It has generated me the information. I will ask it to insert it into the Word file. It has been inserted. By using the Copilot, we can summarize the document and even edit it based upon what we want. We can write a new prompt, auto rewrite, and I can even visualize it as a table. Visualizing it as a table, it will give the summarized content of what the document consists of. By this, I have drafted the overall view of a birthday plan. Second, let me use the Excel sheet in order to consider the budget that is required during the preparation. It is generating what kind of things are needed. I'll ask it to insert it into the Excel sheet. It has directly inserted it into the Excel sheet. I can even ask it to give the guest list. I'll insert this even into the sheet. So I have created two sheets. This one which consists of the expense, estimated budget, and its what it is estimated for. And here is the guest list. So in this way, we can create the table easily by using Copilot. I can even add more columns or rows based upon my preference and personalize it. Third, I'm using the PowerPoint in order to create a presentation, which can be played during the birthday celebration.
It is creating the content. I can edit this content based upon what I want. I can delete or even add some more content. I'll give generate slides. It is taking time because of the internet connection. I'll show the one which I've already done. So by using Copilot, I have created the slides. Copilot made the work easy. It gave me content even and the suggestions which I can personalize based upon what I want. And it made the work more efficient and easy to use. Thank you.
Today I'm going to display what is the 11 Labs and what are its features. So 11 Labs is an AI tool which is going to, which is basically explains about text to speech generation. Now I'm going to show you one of the features. So I'm going to the text to speech option. So click on generate speech.
SMVITM is a good college where many students come here to get placed in very good companies. It has well-equipped facilities.
So if I want to generate in my voice,
SMVITM is a good college where many students come here to get placed in very good companies. It has well-equipped facilities.
yeah, so now I'm going to voice changer. So here it changes one's voice to other's voice. So suppose I'll change mine, use some other's voice here. And press start. So hello guys, this is Pranav Nayak going to display what is the 11 Labs features.
Let's start. So hello guys, this is Arman Hyde wanting to display what is the lot features.
So here one more option is there, which is called sound effects. So here you can type on any sound effects which you like and then click on generate sound effects, which displays what are the generated sounds present. Now click on the studio. So this studio, but option is when you start from the scratch. If you are a beginner, then it can create an audiobook, articles, or create a podcast. So here I created one untitled project which is not converted yet. So next feature is dubbing. So now I'm going to show you the demo how I made the video. So I'll press Hindi.
तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम कहते हैं x बराबर 5 है। क्या आप यहां ऐसा कर सकते हैं? तो हमारे पास x बराबर 2, तो मैं इस मान 2 को एक वेरिएबल जिसे x कहते हैं में स्टोर कर रहा हूं। और ये एक नया शब्द है अब, व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? So basically variable is a container where you can put your values. Example, we are storing 2 here in a container.
So in this way it converts one language to other languages by using dubbing. So next one. So this one more is a conversational AI which contains features such as dashboards, agents, call history, knowledge base, phone numbers. And so it records how many calls I have made, then how much is the duration and the total cost required, the average cost. So then now next is the audio tools. It has voice isolated features. So now I'm going to record the audio. Hello guys, I'm Pranav Nayak and I'm going to display what is the ElevenLabs features and the types used. Hello guys, I'm Pranav Nayak and I'm going to display what is the ElevenLabs features and the types used. So the next one is a AI speech classifier. So here if you click on upload, you can select any audio files here only and just paste it. And one more, this audio native. So if you want to play video,
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
so it takes audio from somewhere which is present in the text. So next I'll go on VoiceOver Studio. So it uploads a video to add a voiceover and sound effects. So overall, this ElevenLabs is assigns option based on the credits. So for dubbings, it provides large credits. For it takes too much credits, and for text to speech it takes small credits. Thank you.